going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you with a quick little stash ad, let's see, shop card, mail call, and I'm going to do a blast from the past. So first of all, I want to thank all my subscribers, for all my supporters. Thank you. And today I got this in the mail. The mail call is for a shop card for throttle power. And y'all all know Tim. And if you don't, please go check him out. This guy, he does great tutorials, great builds. He does everything. He does anything from military to automobiles to sci-fi. I mean, this guy does it all. And if you haven't seen this 48-hour little tractor build, the thing's awesome. Little lawn tractor. He did 3 different versions. He got one finished for sure, I know. But go check him out. Thank you very much for your kind words, Tim. Alright, there you go. Please go check Tim out. Okay. And then I'm coming at you. I'm going to show you a build I did. This is the build, and I built it a few years back. And this is a Goons Sagno kit. And you can see it's a Triumph TR2. I don't know if you can see the box art on that very good or not. Let's see. It's a curbside kit. This is the kit. I got all of these. There's several different in this series right here. TR2, TR3s. I got them all. But this one here I built. And like I said, it's a curbside kit. So no motor, no nothing like that. But I did put a motor in it. I resin cast me a motor for it. And I'll show y'all here in a minute. This is my build. And if y'all know British cars are notorious about having awesome color schemes, you know, with wild color interiors and stuff, like blues with red interiors, you know, green with red interior, you know, you got your tan interiors, you got your black interiors, you got your blue interiors, you know, you got your piping. And so this one here I did in a kind of a sky blue with the red interior. I put flocking in it, you can see. Oh, my camera will come in very good on there. Now I put a little wash on the seats, the red leather seats. You can see the dash, right hand drive of course. Let's see, getting better pictures there. I painted the steel wheels the color of the car because, you know, back in the day that was an option. They were either aluminum color or painted the same color, or you had wire wheels. This particular model I didn't put wire wheels on it, which I do have a version with the wire wheels. Alright, back here would have been where your spare tire would have went. That would have opened up. Oh, looks like my thing's coming off here. It's crooked. I'll have to fix that. I don't know how it got. What in the world? Well, it's been tucked away for a while. And then I did open up the trunk area, and it's supposed to have a that's where you'd put your luggage or whatever. Now I got some luggage, I just never did put it in there. Now the kit don't come with it, but I planned on putting luggage in it, and I just hadn't got around to it. Like I said, the spare goes through this little panel right here. Yeah, I'm a British car lover, so I know about my British cars. There's your front. I got the fog lights on it. You can see through the grill. I don't know if this camera will let you see through the grill or not. Let me show you underneath before I open this hood up. There's the underneath of the car. Pretty basic British styling. Alright, let me get something here to pop that hood off, because I didn't make hinges or nothing like that, because the way this hood is, I didn't want to let's get this thing turned around here. Maybe I can get it. Y'all bear with me for a second. There we go. Alright. There we go. 2-side reft SU carburetors. I scratch built those. They don't look the best, and neither do the valve covers, but there's the engine wired. It's got the battery up there. Like I said, I had to scratch build that. But like I said, there she is. You know, I'm not the best builder in the world, but I ain't afraid to try to scratch build something. I painted them white walls on there, and those aren't the best in the world, you can see. But I'm not taking it to a car show or anything like that, so there it is. It's just for my own personal collection, so that's my take on my little TR2. I thought I'd share that with y'all. And then another thing is my stash ads. I went to a flea market in Northwest Arkansas, and I picked up this Academy. What is that? Mutt. I guess that's a Jeep. I don't know if that's Vietnam era or what. Y'all correct me on it. I don't know my military models too well. But I got it. It was sealed. I did open it up. But there's the side of the box. You can see there. That was a great deal. Still sealed inside. Another thing I got was this trumpeter kit. 1/700 scale. USS Baltimore. 1943. And this thing's an awesome little kit, and it's little. I just seen, was it the Mutt Modeler? Just do a little ship. But here's comes with 2 itty bitty planes. I mean, this thing's small. But you can see there's the red hull. And it also has this, I guess if you wanted to make it the flat bottom for the, what's that, water view, what they call that? I don't know what it's called. Like I said, I'm not a military, but it's all there. Everything's there. I think I give $8 for this kit right here. That was a good deal. Matter of fact, I give $8 for that. You know, like I said, I don't know if those are great deals, but I would think they would be. And then this one right here, USS Arizona, and it's not been open. Oh, it's open, but it's not been messed with. The box is a little bit rough on it, but it's all still there. You can see, got the decals, got the instructions, everything. I give $10 for it. But I figured I'd show you all that real quick, make a quick video, because I haven't made the final, which I got it done, but I haven't made the final on me and Chris Cortell at Classic Plastic 101 Buddy Build. When he makes his final video, I'll put my final video up. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.